Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off or turn on notification in Messenger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would need to go to Messenger, and then once you are in the Messenger, click on the menu icon at the bottom, click on settings, and then click on notification and sounds. And here you will find there are several notifications. It is not like a one single button, but it if you want to turn off the notification for each of the category, you just have to toggle this off. And if you don't want any notification at all, you can turn all of these off, and you won't receive any notification. And once you want to turn back on, you just have to turn those on. And that is how you can turn on and turn off notification in Messenger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.